Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex gold trading brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 in our list, we have BlackBull Markets. BlackBull Markets is a multi-regulated, multi-asset brokerage firm headquartered in Auckland, New Zealand. Established in 2014, the company has grown to serve traders in over 180 countries, offering access to more than 26,000 tradable instruments, including Forex, equities, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Operating as a true electronic communication network broker, BlackBull Markets provides non-dealing desk execution, ensuring transparency and competitive pricing for its clients. BlackBull Markets offers a diverse suite of trading platforms designed to accommodate traders of all levels, providing access to a variety of tradable instruments across different asset classes. Their platforms include TradingView, CTrader, the MetaTrader platforms, BlackBull Invest, and BlackBull CopyTrader. These platforms support features like no minimum deposits, leverage up to 1 to 500, and 24/7 client support. Their platforms are designed to offer flexibility and efficiency to traders around the world. BlackBull Markets offers 3 primary account types: the ECN Standard Account, the Prime Account, as well as their Institutional Account, each tailored to accommodate different trading styles and experience levels. All account types grant access to their full range of trading platforms, as well as a comprehensive suite of trading instruments. Islamic swap-free account options are also available for standard and prime accounts, catering to clients who require Sharia-compliant trading conditions. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Their education hub features structured learning paths, guides which provide a concise overview of trading fundamentals, including asset classes, trading platforms, and essential terminology. Additionally, BlackBull Markets provides practical tools like economic calendars and trading calculators to aid in market analysis. To facilitate hands-on learning, BlackBull Markets offers demo accounts, allowing traders to practice strategies in a risk-free environment. These resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools necessary for informed decision-making in the financial markets. At number 4 in our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning, no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. At number 2 on our list is Eightcap. Eightcap is a global online trading platform that offers competitive trading services in Forex, CFDs, and other financial instruments. With a focus on providing traders with access to advanced technology, low spreads, and high liquidity, the broker aims to deliver an optimal trading experience. Their platform is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, ensuring a secure and trustworthy environment for both beginners and experienced traders. By offering a wide range of account types, trading tools, and educational resources, Eightcap strives to meet the diverse needs of its international client base. Eightcap offers a wide range of trading instruments across multiple asset classes, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios with ease. Clients can trade Forex pairs, indices, commodities, shares, and a large selection of cryptocurrencies. With competitive spreads and flexible leverage, Eightcap provides access to both traditional and emerging markets through powerful platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 offers an intuitive interface with flexible trading systems, while MetaTrader 5 supports a wider range of order types and provides an enhanced charting package with 21 timeframes and over 80 technical indicators. MetaTrader 5 also facilitates automated trading through expert advisors. Additionally, the broker integrates with TradingView, allowing clients to trade directly from TradingView's advanced charting interface. This integration enables seamless access to over 800 CFD markets, combining TradingView's powerful analytical tools with Eightcap's trading infrastructure. The broker offers a variety of trading account types to cater to the needs of different traders. These include the Standard, which provides competitive spreads and access to a wide range of instruments, as well as the Raw account, which offers tighter spreads and commission-based pricing for more experienced traders. Eightcap also provides a TradingView account, which integrates the broker's trading services with TradingView's advanced charting platform. This account provides traders access to a variety of instruments with spreads starting from 1.0 pips and a minimum deposit requirement of $100 US. The TradingView account caters to both novice and experienced traders. Eightcap provides a range of educational resources designed to support traders at all levels. The broker offers webinars, video tutorials, and comprehensive guides covering various aspects of trading, from platform usage to advanced strategies. Additionally, the broker's educational content includes market analysis, trading tips, and expert insights to help traders enhance their skills and stay informed about market trends. These resources aim to empower traders with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions and improve their trading experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex gold trading brokers, we have Fusion Markets. Fusion Markets is a cost-focused global Forex and CFD broker known for its low trading fees and transparent approach. Founded in Melbourne, Australia, and regulated by the ASIC, it has built a strong reputation by offering some of the lowest commissions in the industry, ultra-tight spreads, and no minimum deposit requirements. Fusion Markets provides access to a wide range of instruments with zero commission, and they provide segregated client funds and fast execution. The broker positions itself as a reliable, budget-friendly option for both new and experienced traders looking to maximize value without sacrificing quality. The broker offers a diverse range of CFD trading instruments, giving traders plenty of choice across global markets. This includes over 90 Forex pairs with competitive spreads, a solid selection of commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and natural gas, as well as major global indices like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, FTSE 100, and more. Traders can also access US share CFDs with zero commission, making equity trading more cost-effective, along with a curated lineup of cryptocurrency CFDs for those looking to trade digital assets with leverage. With fast execution and low-cost pricing, Fusion Markets creates a flexible environment for both beginner and advanced traders. The broker provides a versatile selection of trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. This includes MetaTrader 4 and 5, offering advanced charting, automated trading via expert advisors, and access across desktop, web, and mobile. CTrader delivers professional-grade tools including detailed market depth, multiple timeframes, and over 70 bolt-on indicators. Traders can also use TradingView integration for direct chart-based trading with powerful analysis tools. For those interested in social trading, Fusion Plus allows users to copy or follow other successful traders, creating a flexible and comprehensive trading environment. Fusion Markets offers a few different account types to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their classic account is designed for simplicity. All trading costs are baked into the spread, with no separate commission, making it very beginner-friendly. On the other hand, their Zero account is built for more active traders. It provides ultra-tight raw spreads starting from about 0.0 pips, plus a commission per trade, which can lead to lower overall costs if you trade frequently. In addition, Fusion sports a demo account so users can practice in a risk-free environment. They also offer swap-free accounts on certain account types, allowing traders to avoid overnight swap interest by complying with religious requirements. Fusion Markets provides traders with a range of educational resources and market analysis tools designed to support informed trading decisions. Users can access step-by-step guides and tutorials covering trading basics, leverage, and risk management, while a demo account allows practice in a risk-free environment. Traders can also stay ahead of the markets with a live economic calendar, tracking key data releases and events that impact global markets. For deeper insights, Fusion offers tools like Market Buzz and Technical Insight, which provide sentiment analysis, expert commentary, and real-time chart-based market analysis. Fusion Markets delivers practical resources that help both beginner and experienced traders develop their skills and make smarter trading decisions. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex gold trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.